Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Home Remedy Rescue, where we share the latest information on natural remedies and healthy living. We appreciate your viewership, and we hope you find value and enjoyment in this video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our newest videos each week. Today, we'll be exploring the incredible world of black cumin, also known as Nigella Sativa, and revealing 10 ways this ancient seed can benefit your overall health and body. Be sure to watch up to benefit number 10. It's a benefit that no one should miss out on. Before we delve into these amazing health benefits of black cumin, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Now, let's get started. What is black cumin? Black cumin, scientifically known as Nigella sativa, is a small flowering plant native to South Asia and the Middle East. Its seeds, often referred to as black seeds, have been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. Rich in nutrients and potent bioactive compounds like thymoquinone, black cumin has gained popularity for its numerous health benefits. Now, let's take a closer look at 10 ways black cumin can improve your health. Health benefit number 1. May aid fighting off cancer. Black cumin oil has been found to support natural cancer treatment thanks to its remarkable polyphenols and antioxidant properties. In a compelling animal model study, a team of diligent Croatian researchers investigated the anti-cancer effects of thymoquinone and thymohydroquinone, two notable phytochemicals found in black cumin oil. Their groundbreaking discovery revealed a significant 52% reduction in tumor cells. Moreover, recent in vitro studies have demonstrated the prowess of thymoquinone, the most abundant bioactive compound in black cumin oil, in facilitating apoptosis, essentially programmed cell death within leukemia, breast cancer, and brain tumor cells. In a noteworthy addition, researchers from Jefferson Health's esteemed Sidney Kimmel Cancer Center uncovered that black cumin oil not only eliminates pancreatic cancer cells, but also appears to inhibit their growth. This remarkable cancer prevention ability is attributed to thymoquinone, the potent anti-inflammatory compound present in black cumin. It's truly a remarkable area of study, and the potential for further research is undeniably exciting. Health benefit number 2. Helps fight diabetes. Researchers from the esteemed Indian Council of Medical Research have found that black cumin oil promotes gradual partial regeneration of pancreatic beta cells, raises the diminished serum insulin levels, and reduces the elevated serum glucose. The significance of this finding cannot be overstated, as Nigella sativa, the plant from which black cumin is derived, is among a rare few food sources in the world associated with the prevention of both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. In an even more remarkable turn, the study posits that black cumin oil enhances glucose intolerance as effectively as metformin, yet exhibits minimal adverse effects and possesses remarkably low toxicity. This is a crucial observation given that metformin, a frequently prescribed medication for treating type 2 diabetes, can sometimes present a range of undesirable side effects, such as flushing of the skin, bloating, gas/indigestion, constipation/diarrhea, nail changes, heartburn, metallic taste in mouth, headache, stomach ache, muscle pain. The potential of black cumin oil in this context is truly astounding and warrants further exploration in the field of diabetes management. Health benefit number 3. Helps with weight loss. Let me share with you a truly compelling secret to weight loss, backed by solid scientific evidence. Black cumin oil. A thorough examination of the literature on plants with anti-obesity properties, published in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Diseases, unveiled black cumin oil as one of the most powerful natural remedies available to us. To give you more confidence in its efficacy, consider this. The findings of at least 11 placebo-controlled clinical trials, compiled in a comprehensive 2018 systematic review and meta-analysis, reveal that a black cumin supplement can indeed aid individuals in shedding those extra pounds. What's even more convincing is that the consumption of black cumin supplements has been shown to reduce waist circumference and body mass index without causing any significant side effects. That's right, science supports the safety and effectiveness of this natural weight loss ally. But that's not all. Black cumin can also contribute to weight management by curbing your appetite and boosting your metabolism. So why not consider adding this amazing supplement to your well-balanced diet and exercise routine? It could be the game changer you've been searching for on your weight loss journey. Health benefit number 4, promotes healthy hair. Black cumin oil has health advantages for hair, as well as being a natural skincare aid. It should come as no surprise that black cumin oil frequently appears on lists of all-natural techniques to improve the health of your hair and scalp. It may help with hair loss brought on by androgenic alopecia or alopecia areata, since it includes nigelone, which has been proven in studies to be a powerful antihistamine. It can also help the health of the scalp as a whole by preventing dandruff and dryness and improving the health of the hair at the same time. This is because it has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Health benefit number 5, may reduce asthma symptoms. In a trial involving a boiled extract of black cumin seeds, asthma symptoms were reduced in 29 patients. During the course of 3 months, it decreased the frequency of asthma symptoms, wheezing, and enhanced lung function. Also, the individuals who took black cumin seed extract used fewer prescription drugs and inhalers. Similar findings emerged from a second placebo-controlled study, including 80 asthmatics. Black seed oil, administered orally for 4 weeks, enhanced asthma management in the trial. Also, researchers noticed an upward trend in lung function. Health benefit number 6, helps with cholesterol management. Did you know that black cumin seed oil may have health benefits for lowering cholesterol? An aqueous black cumin extract not only exhibited cholesterol-lowering benefits on animal subjects, but also had anti-diabetic properties, according to a 2017 study utilizing an animal model. Animals with diabetes were given low doses of black cumin for 6 weeks. Total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and glucose all went down, while HDL, good cholesterol, went up. Another older, randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial involved mildly hypertensive human participants. A placebo group, a group that consumed 100 milligrams of black cumin twice daily, and a group that consumed 200 milligrams twice daily, all participated in the study. Researchers found that after 8 weeks of taking the black cumin supplement, both the systolic and diastolic blood pressure of those who took it dropped in a way that was dose-dependent. Also, both cholesterol and LDL cholesterol significantly declined as a result of the black cumin extract treatment. Overall, it seems that black cumin may help reduce blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol. Health benefit number 7, benefits liver health. One of the body's most vital organs is the liver. The liver processes almost all toxins, and its bile is essential for digesting fats and maintaining the well-being of your body and mind. People who have poor liver function because of side effects from drugs, drinking too much alcohol, or a disease could get better much faster with black seed oil. In a new animal model study, researchers found that black seed oil enhances liver function and guards against damage and disease. Health benefit number 8, boost immune function and help fight infections. The nutrients and bioactive compounds in black cumin seeds can help boost your immune system, making it better able to fight off infections and keep your body healthy in general. One of the most dangerous superbugs that this powerful oil can kill is methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus. Due to the development of generic drug resistance in common staph infections, MRSA is a problem in hospitals and nursing homes all over the world. The elderly are especially at risk because they have to go through invasive procedures like surgery, IV tubes, and joint replacements so often. The world's health is more at risk from MRSA because people are getting older and their immune systems are getting weaker. Fortunately, one of the most potent black seed oil benefits might be useful. Every MRSA strain that Pakistani researchers tested was susceptible to black cumin, which suggests that black seed oil can help contain or limit the spread of MRSA. Health benefit number 9 may benefit brain health. Neuroinflammation can cause brain tissue to swell. It is thought to play a major role in the development of diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Thymoquinone in black seed oil has shown promise in preliminary test tube and animal studies to lessen neuroinflammation. As a result, it might offer defense against neurological conditions like Parkinson's or Alzheimer's. In one study, 40 healthy older people who took 500 milligrams of black cumin capsules twice a day for 9 weeks scored much better on tests of memory, attention, and thinking. Additional research is still necessary to confirm the preventative effects of black seed oil on brain health. Before we delve into health benefit number 10 of black cumin, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Health benefit number 10 promotes radiant, younger-looking, healthy skin. Researchers from Iran discovered that the skin lotion, betamethasone, and black cumin oil both improved quality of life and lessened the intensity of hand eczema. Black cumin oil does not have a long list of horrifying side effects like traditional lotions do, provided you do not react to it allergically. Black cumin is a plant with a rich history of medicinal and cosmetic uses. It has been found that the anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, and moisturizing properties of its seeds and oil make them very good for skincare. Here are some ways black cumin can be used for skincare. 1. Moisturizer. Black cumin seed oil is an excellent moisturizer that can help keep the skin hydrated, soft, and supple. You can apply a few drops of oil directly to your face and neck, or mix it with your favorite carrier oil, such as jojoba or almond oil. 2. Acne treatment. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of black cumin seed oil can help reduce acne breakouts and inflammation. To use as a spot treatment, mix a few drops of black cumin seed oil with a carrier oil and apply it directly to the affected area with a cotton swab. 3. Eczema and psoriasis relief. Black cumin seed oil can help soothe and alleviate symptoms of eczema and psoriasis, such as redness, itching, and inflammation. Apply the oil directly to the affected areas or mix it with a carrier oil for a more diluted solution. 4. Anti-aging, rich in antioxidants, black cumin seed oil can help combat free radicals and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Incorporate the oil into your skincare routine by applying it to your face and neck in the evening. 5. Skin brightening. Black cumin seed oil can help improve the appearance of uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. Mix a few drops of the oil with a carrier oil and apply it to your face and neck for a brighter, radiant, more even complexion. 6. Wound healing. The anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of black cumin seed oil can help support wound healing and reduce the risk of infection. Apply a small amount of the oil directly to minor cuts, scrapes, or burns, and cover with a bandage. 7. Facial mask. Create a nourishing facial mask by combining black cumin seed oil with other beneficial ingredients, such as honey, yogurt, or avocado. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Remember to patch test any new skincare products on a small area of your skin before applying them to larger areas. This can help you identify potential allergic reactions or sensitivities to the ingredients. If you have any concerns, consult a dermatologist or healthcare professional for guidance. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips. So there you have it, 10 amazing health benefits of black cumin and 7 ways to use it to gain radiant, younger looking, and beautiful skin. We hope this video has provided you with valuable and insightful knowledge about black cumin. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and take care.